Expert Technical Interpretation, Introduction to Configuration of Cummins 12-cylinder 800 kW Automatic Diesel Generator Set. Hello, this is Dingbo Power. Today I will introduce to you an 800 kW Cummins diesel generator set. The unit uses Cummins 12-cylinder high-end diesel engine and inject pure copper brushless generator. The unit is equipped with a full automatic control system to monitor the data of the unit in real time. The performance is stable. It truly realizes, one key start, ensures the random switching between the mains and the standby power supply, and can be used with a mobile trailer. It is convenient to move and saves time and effort, direct to the scene, or can be matched with a static speaker. Beautiful appearance, noise reduction and dust prevention, wear resistance and corrosion resistance, long service life. The shock absorber independently developed by Dingbo Power has good shock absorption effect. As an outstanding player in the POW industry, Dingbo Power has fast after-sales service response, which makes you feel at ease when you buy, and users feel at ease. Buy the generator set and find the top bore power brand, which is trustworthy.